What's up guys, and welcome to another video for today. So it's been a long time since I've done any YouTube videos, so I've decided today to actually share one of the indicators, matter of fact one of the most profitable indicators that I'm using, and I've been currently testing these indicators. If should I actually share this indicator to my YouTube subscribers, and finally coming up with the conclusion that yes, this indicator is the indicator, and matter of fact this is the indicator that you only need for your trading. This is one of the most profitable trading indicators that you will ever need, and I doubt it that there is any other indicator out there that can actually do a better job than this indicator. So I have literally tested this indicator over 3 months, and I have been constantly making profit out of this indicator. So if you want to see what's this indicator, make sure that you stick around until the end of this video, because I have something special that I want to offer you guys at the end of this video. So make sure that you subscribe and you like this video and share it if you love consuming content based on the crypto market or investing or basically making money online. So make sure you smash that subscribe button and you hit that like. So without any further ado, let's get into today's video. So the indicator that I am talking about is called the Nitros Bull. So as you can see, I have a clear chart at this moment. This chart has no indicator on it. It has no trend line. It has no support and resistance level. So with what this indicator does, for instance, if you are a beginner, this indicator will save you a lot of time when you're trying to do some analysis. It will save you a lot of time when you're trying to find good entry points in trades. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to bring in this indicator and just show you how simple it is to use this indicator and how simple it is for you to actually start trading with this indicator. So like I said, then this indicator is called the Nitros Bull. So as you can see, now I have applied this indicator, and now I have these lines over here. I have these red lines at the top, and I have these green lines here at the bottom. So if I have to remove it again, you will see that these lines will just disappear. Can you see they have disappeared? And now they are back on my screen. So basically, what does this Nitros Bull do? For instance, if you are, we'll start off on the beginner phase. We'll just start off on the beginner phase by adding these bull and bear signals, okay? For instance, if you are a beginner and you are just getting started with trading, could it be you are trading stocks, trading Forex, or you are trading crypto? What this indicator does, basically, it gives you areas that the market is likely to reverse at, and it gives you areas whereby of support. Here at the bottom, the green lines are support, as you can see, and the levels of resistance. So it gives you levels of support and levels of resistance. So now you do not have to literally spend like 2 hours or an hour just trying to find good levels of support and good level of resistance. What this indicator does for you, it actually puts in the levels of resistance and the levels of support for you. As you can see right now, I have not even one level of resistance line or one level of support. This indicator, the Nitros Bull, has done everything for me. So literally now what I just have to do is wait for the market to actually reach these certain points, and then from there I start placing my trades. But for beginners, with beginners can also use these levels of bear and bulls. This indicator also gives you the option that you can add these whenever the market starts to show bullish momentum. It will give you a signal that, hey, right now this market is just about to go up. So as you can see right here, this indicator called it out as a bull. As soon as this candle closed and then it dropped, and then it showed that the market is bullish, and then what it did, the market started shooting up. So if you were trading this market and you saw this bull signal and you took the trade, so you would have made quite a good profit out of this trade just from this signal. So as you can see over here, the market was starting to drop and it called out bear. then the market started to drop, and then probably you'd have taken your trade as soon as it called it out bear and then went out at this level. And another thing that you can see is that this indicator works in real time. So whenever there is momentum in the market and the indicator finds this momentum, and then it signals out that, hey, the market is just about to go up, buy. As soon as this candle closes, and then it shows, it will literally put in the bull sign, and then from there you know to buy this market going up. But that is just for beginner phase. For instance, if you are an intermediate trader, you already have an understanding of trading, what I would advise is you actually remove, you actually remove the bull and bear signals. For the bull and bear signal, I would recommend that for beginners. But if you're already an intermediate trade and you already understand how to trade and how to spot good levels of support and good level of resistance, so I would suggest that you actually remove these levels, these signals, these indicators of bulls and bear, and just use the levels of support and level of resistance on the Nitros Bull, because that's how I have been using it, and that's how I have been staying consistent in making profit with this indicator. So for instance, as you can see over here, we had our support, we had our good support level, and then it shot up, and then it created a level of resistance. If we go back, we can see that this level was a good level of support previously, and then it broke this level, it actually broke it back, and then it came to test this level as support, and then now this level became a level of resistance. And as you can see, good level of resistance. So as soon as you see that these lines are well respected, you are able to trade at a much more confident level and take much more accurate trades. As you can see now, this level of resistance, the market was actually respecting this level of resistance. It respected this level of resistance. The market came back down, tested this level of support, bounced back, and it hasn't tested this level of resistance as yet. So as you can see that, if for instance you are still a beginner, still learning how to set up your levels of support and level of resistance, the Nitros Bull is the indicator that you need to help you with actually setting up your levels of support and level of resistance, because it will just put everything for you with just in a second, and you do not have to literally be drawing lines each like drawing lines, for instance, like taking a line, putting it here and going back and stuff like that, and so forth and so forth. You literally do not have to do that. What you can just do is you can literally just use the Nitros Bull, and from there you can just apply the Nitros Bull, and then from there you can start applying your own levels of support also and your own level of resistance, just to give you that extra confirmation about, just to see that the Nitros Bull is actually calling out these levels as you see them on yourself. So that's the first thing that you should understand about the Nitros Bull, is that it gives you good levels of support and good levels of resistance. Okay, so the next thing that I can say that you can use on the Nitros Bull is, let me just remove my analysis from here. The next thing that I can say that's mostly beneficial about the Nitros Bull is that, as you can see, that these candlesticks are in different colors. For instance, we have green candlestick that have a maroon body, and we have a red candlestick that actually have a green body. So that might be confusing to people who don't understand what's the Nitros Bull. Let me just switch it off. So as you can see right now, I have just green and red, green and red, green and red candlesticks. But if I had to bring back the Nitros Bull, automatically you can see some of these green candlesticks have turned purple, and some of these red candlesticks have orange bodies, and some red candlesticks actually have green bodies. What this tells you is that these levels of, for instance, if a green candlestick has a maroon body, that signifies that in this market, these levels, there's a high probability that the market is still going to take a fall. So basically it could have this candlestick is green, originally, but with the indicator it helps you to identify that there is still selling pressure within the market. So when you see these green candlesticks but with maroon bodies, that will signify that there is still a high probability that this market could still go back down. But as soon as you see these green candlestick with orange bodies, now that signifies that the market is still going up, but there is a lower momentum of sellers. There is not much sellers as they were in this area right here. So this means that now there is a less momentum of sellers, but there is still selling pressure within the market. So with this, it will signify that, hey, this market still has a probability that it could still go down when you see a green candlestick with an orange body. And then we have these red candlestick with green bodies, which signifies that there is still quite a high probability that the market could still push up. There is still a lot more buying pressure within the market, so you will probably still have to wait and get your good confirmation, and then from there you would look for good confirmation with your technical analysis and with the candle stick pattern, and then from there obviously you would wait for those confirmation and take the trade. So that's just a brief explanation about the Nitros Bull indicator, is that you can actually use it as you can actually use it for levels of support and levels of resistance. You do not need to actually draw out these levels. And for beginners, what beginners can do, they can just apply these bull and bear signals, whereby they can just wait for the market to say bear, and then they can sell the market easily, take profit, wait for the market to signify again a bullish momentum, buy the market, take profit. And as you can see, this indicator works smoothly. But as you get to understand this indicator, you'll probably want to use it more on the levels of support and level of resistance and levels of support. The levels of support are green, are mostly green all the time. They're always green. And the level of resistance are always red at the top. So as you can see, this market respects these levels of support and levels of resistance. So for those people who do not understand support and resistance, this is a beautiful indicator, and this is a profitable indicator that you should use within your trading. Could it be you are trading stocks, you are trading cryptocurrency? It does not matter. This indicator is a all-in-one indicator you need. And matter of fact, for me, I would say this is the only indicator that you would need. The other indicators I would just use as confirmation after using my Nitros Bull indicator. So now, how do you purchase the Nitros Bull? So let's just say now you think that you want to use the Nitros Bull, and you can see that the Nitros Bull is really working and you want it. So the way that you can purchase the Nitros Bull is that you can go onto cryptouniversity.co.za. I will leave the link in the description for you, so you can just use the link. So you can just go to Crypto University. It's only cost $200. But for you guys who have stayed until this point of the video, I will leave a discount coupon code for you at the bottom in the description, so you can get a good discount off when you purchase this Nitros Bull by using my link and using the discount coupon at the bottom. So for those people who watch this video until the end, this is an awesome gift for you. And I hope that you use this indicator wisely and you make a lot of profit with these indicators, because like I said, I have back tested these indicators for over 3 to 6 months, and I have been constantly making profits out of this indicator. As you can see how to use how it works. The indicator shows you when's a good time to buy and sell. It gives you bull buy alerts, it gives you sell alerts if you're using TradingView, because obviously this indicator only works on TradingView. So you can sell, so you can place sell alerts, and you can place buy alert. This indicator works on all cryptocurrencies, stocks, and Forex markets. So could it be you're trading Forex or crypto or stocks, you can use this indicator. This indicator runs in real time. So all these signals that you see over here, these bull bear signs, signals, these are all in real time. So you can literally set up your alerts for whenever the market is just about to drop, and then it will send a notification to your phone saying, hey, the market is just about to drop, sell the market. And then you would enter a trade, and then obviously you would be using your risk to reward ratio and all of those depending on your strategies, and then from there you would be benefiting a lot from this indicator. So like I said before, if you also still want a much more in-depth explanation, we also have a video right here on the Crypto University website that you can also watch for a much more in-depth explanation, because I just went on an overview about the Nitros Bull indicator. So this is where you can buy the Nitros Bull indicator. Link will be in the description, and I will also leave a discount coupon code for all you guys who have watched until this point of the video. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and smash that notification so you will be notified every time when I do upload a new video. And from me, I will be doing a technical analysis video very soon for you guys, so that you can actually see how I set up my trades, how I set up basically my trading, what can I say, my trading system, basically how I set up everything before I place a trade. So I'll be showing you everything from start to finish to when I actually take a trade on the next video. So if you want to see that video, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure that you hit that notification bell, so every time when I upload a new video, you will be notified. So from me, I will see you on the moon.